Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be testing out these two Lasko fans. We're going to be seeing which one's more quiet and more powerful. So we got the Lasko wind machine here and the classic Lasko box fan. And so if you need a fan in a room, like going to college or something, you need a fan in your room. These two are great alternatives to put in your room. So we're going to be testing which one is going to be the better one. So I'm kind of betting on this one. Okay, first we're going to test how powerful it is. So here is the Lasko box fan at full here. Pretty powerful. Pretty nice for a box fan. And now it's the wind machine's turn. And I'll just flip this over first. I'd say the wind machine won this one. So if you want, it's just a little bit more powerful. Okay, now let's test how loud it is. First, we got a box fan. Pretty loud. You probably don't hear it that much because we're outside, but when you're inside, you hear it. Pretty loud. And we got this one. As you can hear, this one's just a tad bit quieter. So, something cheap and something for your dorm, I recommend the wind machine. Thank you for watching.